Hi, everybody. My name is Noelle Ebert, and I'm your librarian here at Southwestern Oregon Community College. Today, we're going to learn how to use the Gale databases, specifically Academic OneFile. Academic OneFile is a multidisciplinary database, and that means it has a lot of different resources about a lot of different stuff. So, I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to look at the library homepage. You can get there at socc.edu/library. And if we want to look at databases, we're going to go to the Where to Research box to find our databases and online resources. Academic OneFile is right at the top of the list. If you're not on campus, you are going to be asked to log into the databases. You can do that by entering your 7-digit SWOCC ID and enter. If your ID doesn't have 7 digits, add zeros to the front until it does. So if we want to go to Academic OneFile, we're going to click the title. And this brings us to that login page I told you about. All right, I'm signing in, and this is the home page for the database. If you're not sure of what subject to research, you can browse by disciplines here. If we scroll down, you can also use the topic finder to help you find inspiration. For now, let's use an example of searching for national parks. Academic OneFile divides our search results by format. The first one lists academic journals, but you can also click magazines, books, even videos. So, if you want to filter your results, you have options to do that on the right side of the page. Right now, we have this checkmarked, full text documents. That means every resource that we pull up in this list, we will be able to read in full. If you ever have an article or a book that we don't have access to, contact the library and we'll do an interlibrary loan request for you for free. Another good thing to check in these filters is peer-reviewed journals. Sometimes for college-level research, your teachers are going to ask that some of your sources be peer-reviewed. That means that information has gone through a panel of professionals in that field, and they've verified it. So we have these checked, and it looks like we have over 30,000 results. There are other ways you can filter the results by publication date and various other files. Right now, we're just going to scroll through our lists, and we're going to click on an article that looks interesting. To do that, just click the title. From here, we'll be able to read an abstract of the article. An abstract is a summary that tells you a little bit more about the article. From here, we can also read the whole article here online. You can scroll down to read more, or you can choose to save the article for later. You can download it using this button, or you can save it to a cloud drive if you use Google or Microsoft products. If you need to find information on how to cite this article, you can click this button up here. It will generate a citation for you in whatever citation style you use, like MLA or APA. From here, you could copy and paste this right into your bibliography document. Don't forget to check with resources like the OWL Purdue website to make sure that everything is cited correctly. We can exit out of here with the X. And if you go to the results button up here, it will take you to your original list of articles so you can find more information. Now, we have a lot of results here, but let's pretend we didn't find very much of what we were looking for. Another good way to move forward in your research is to search multiple databases at the same time. So right now, we're using the Gale Academic OneFile, but there are ways to search multiple Gale databases at once. If you click on the left Library menu, and then choose the button View All Gale Databases, it will take you to another list of all of the Gale databases we have access to. You can scroll down and see all of these different options. I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm going to choose the Cross Search button here on the right. From here, we can search all of the general research databases, or if we're looking for a special literature research project, we could use this box here instead. Let's repeat our search for national parks. Wow, we have a lot of results here, almost 100,000. We can do our full text limiters, just like we did before. And we can also choose if we want to be able to access those peer-reviewed resources. Here it is. I can click that checkbox and it'll update our results list. That's another option for moving your research forward if you ever get stuck. So this is the basics about how to use the Gale databases. If you have other questions, I recommend checking out our video, Academic Search Complete, and other EBSCO databases. They work in a similar way. If you ever have any questions about research, please let me know. You can contact the library at 541-888-7270 or send us an email at library@socc.edu. Thanks for your time. I'm Well Ebert, your librarian. We're here to help you. Have a great day.